0 and will start to execute, but cannot finish at 8, so process B will arrive. That has a CPU burst of 4 and meron na lang 5 na CPU burst because it has -3. So process B is shortest, will start executing in 3 and will end in 7. The process D will arrive with a CPU burst of 3 and will start executing at 7 and finish at 10. Then process E arrive and ready when D finish, and E will start executing at 10. Since walang new process arrive, it will finish at 12. Since process A and C have same CPU burst, but process A will execute next because of the first come first serve rule, and process A will finish at 17. Lastly, the process C has the only process remaining, so it will execute at 17 at a CPU burst of 5, so it will finish at 22. Now we will compute the waiting time First, we need to write the arrival time, the 04516. Then we will 0 minus 0. Dahil dalawang beses siya nag-execute, so 12 minus 3. Next is the process B na nag-start mag-execute ng 3, and ang process C nag-start mag-execute ng 17, at ang process C na nag-start mag-execute na ID na nag-start mag-execute ng 7, and ang E na nag-start mag-execute ng 10. So 0 minus 9, 3 minus 4 is 1, 17 minus 5 is 12, 7 minus 6 is 1, then minus 10 is 0. Now is compute natin yung average time. So ang pagko-compute is i-add lang lahat ng numbers. 9 plus 1 plus 12 plus 1 plus 0 equals to 23. Then i-divide natin ang total to 5. So we can know the final waiting time na 4.6 meters per second. Next is turnaround time. Ganun din yung pagko-compute is ima-minus lang din yung arrival time. 0, 4, 6, 5, 6, 10. Minus lang na turnaround time. Yung turnaround is kung kailan na-finish yung isang process. So, natapos siya ng 17. Ang process B is natapos nung 7. Ang process C is natapos ng 22. Ang process D is natapos ng 10. And ang process E is natapos ng 12. So, minus lang. 17 minus 0 is equals to 17. 7 minus 4 equals to 3. 22 minus 5 is equals to 17. 10 minus 6 is equals to 4. And 12 minus 10 equals to 2. Then, kukunin din natin yung average turnaround time niya. Like lang yung pagkuha ng average waiting time. Pagpa-press lang ulit lahat ng total numbers. And then, i-divide sa 5. I-divide sa 5. Then, the final average turnaround time is 8.6. That's it.